This is the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop environment, and as a student you have access to many apps with your license. Today I like to start with Adobe Firefly. It's very similar to Adobe Express, but they each have unique features. Both are great for generating images and creating creative content using AI tools. Now let's open Adobe Firefly by clicking this icon. When you enter, you'll see several tools. You can generate images, work with text effects, or even explore video, audio, vector tools, though we're not focusing on those today. It's helpful to understand the difference between vectors and images. Images are raster-based like photos, and vectors are sharp, scalable illustrations, good for use in Illustrator or logo design. Okay, today we are focusing on generating images, how to write prompts, and how to develop our images, which we created with AI tools here in Adobe Firefly. So I would like to start with this one, text to image tool. The most important part in text to image tool is your prompt, how you describe what you want. The better your description, the better the result. For example, let's start with something fun. I prepared something. A frog in nature. I'm saying which environment I want my object to be in. Sitting on a rock, talking about position, looking up at the sky with glowing green edges around its body. I'm talking about more details. So I hit the generate button here. I have some options. So this is very simple, something that I expected, but if you're looking for something different, you can change the content type. I can change it to photo. It makes the thing more realistic. These two things are for the time you're working actually with two different images. You have a reference and you want to work on um, an image based on a reference. But for here, I would like to go with one of the styles, for example, or maybe this one, this style. And you can also add image from your gallery or your PC, but now I'm using one of the existing images here. And for the effects, in the popular mode, there are some options here. I would like to choose this futuristic one. You can change the color tone here. I think I'm okay with this, with any color tone. I don't have anything specific in my mind. For the lighting, I would like it to be a little bit dark, low lighting, or maybe studio lighting. And for the camera angle, you can choose one. I would like to go with this one. You have different settings here. Generally, you don't need all of these settings, but now it's good to know what are the options, and it's helpful to use these options at least once. I hit the generate button here. I think these results are amazing, but if you like to make any changes or if you don't like them, you can just decide which one you want to go with. For example, I really like this one. Let me see. I really like this one. When you open the image, you have some options here. You can open it in Photoshop Web. You can download it. Actually, you don't have any options for downloading it. It's just a PNG file. You can share it, you can save it to your favorites, you can say it worked for you or not. It really worked for me. I say great for inspiration, submit here, and here you have some options for editing. Here you have generate video. It generates a video for you based on the image it created, but we're not working with video now. You have generative fill. It can edit your background. You can add some features or objects in the image you have, or you can generate similar. It means that you can have more images like this option you have, which you like. And you can also use it as a composition reference. You can make other images and you can have different prompts, but with this style. or you can use as a style reference, or open it in Photoshop Web as we said, and you can add text if you like it to be a poster or something like that. You can add shapes and graphics, and you can create social posts if you like. But now it's good to know how you can find more similar images to this one. I would like to go with generate similar. I'm waiting for the results. But I think all of them are cool. Oh, this one, yeah, this one is more like futuristic. It has more lightings. I think I like this one. I really like the lighting of this one. I just hit this button here to download it. So it's a JPEG file. And you can also use different options when you downloaded it. So you have the image. For the edit, I would like to go with generative fill. You have very simple options here: insert, remove, and expand. And they're not a lot, but work really well for your composition. So let's just start with insert. You should select one part of the image that you want to add an object there. For example, I select here. The shape of your selection is important. It should be aligned with the prompt you're writing or the shape of the object you want to generate. I say a green apple. Okay. I think this one is not green, obviously. This one works better. And I should just say keep it. So it kept this one, and I think it worked well. So you have the remove option. I don't like this purple light here. I select this light. You should select the whole area and be very careful with your selection. So something like that. You don't need to write anything, just hit this remove button here to see how it removes this background part. Okay, first one looks good. I think I like this one. This one looks more natural, so I kept this one. And the other option which I really like is that if you think the dimensions are not working well for you, you can just expand the image you have like this. For example, no, something like this. The best option for you if you want to work on a canvas that it's not the same size as the generative tool canvas size, so it would be a very good option. These are some options here. This one, I think this one is much better. I can keep it. So if you think it's not working well, you can just insert more lightings here or remove something here. But I think it worked really well and it's so close to what I want. So also you have some options here for the size of the expand tool. And if you're done with the composition, you can just click the download button here, and now you have the PNG file.